3 features to take your FaceTime calls to another level. Swipe from the top right corner down in your FaceTime call. At the top, you will see FaceTime controls highlighted in green. Select this setting. Go ahead and just turn them on here. You now will be able to use gestures like a thumbs up to add a thumbs up to the call, heart, rain, confetti. Swipe from the top right corner down to find your FaceTime control settings. I can increase or decrease the background blur effect. I can also enhance my studio light, and I'd like to intensify my studio light to illuminate my face. Usually your audio setting will be on automatic, but you can also select standard, voice isolation, or if you would like to gather sounds from your whole room, you would want to select wide spectrum. Find your 3 dots on the bottom right-hand corner, select SharePlay. You can collaborate on these Apple apps here. Let's hop into collaborating on a note. Select Collaborate on the top of my device. I have a notification to open up this collaborative note. This would be the other person on the call. Both devices have this meeting note open. It might take a while for the text to show up on each device, but you'll notice now it has shown up here. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, don't forget to like this video, comment down below how you're using your FaceTime features, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. I will see you in the next video.